There's a missing persons case in Bethany Beach.
We've had tons of people coming in saying, where's this, where's this?
Or rather, a missing timepiece case.
You might look around and think something seems different, and then you realize, wait a minute, where's the clock?
Bethany Beach's clock is gone from its home on the boardwalk.
Yeah, I was down here last week and I saw them working on it, and then it was taken away. So I was really disappointed because it is an icon here and everybody always looks for it.
The Waterside Watch is almost synonymous with the quiet resort, covering books and adorning local cafes. Locals say it keeps time and routines.
We used to do laps with my dad, so I would always time it to see how long, how much time, make sure he gets his at least 20 minutes in. But yeah, I would miss it if it wasn't here.
The clock is simply out for repairs. The town says 14 years of salt, air, and sunshine have taken their toll on the timepiece, and it should be back to its rightful home on the boardwalk by mid-May. For 2 months, it's tick-tock until Bethany's timekeeper is back.
One of those things that you don't really think about until it's not there. It's like, oh, what? I missed the clock already.
With locals watching and waiting for its return.
All refurbished and ready to go, and maybe it can take another 14, maybe even longer years.
A timeless classic gone for now, but never forgotten.
It's an icon for Bethany Beach.
Absolutely.
Reporting in Bethany Beach, I'm Madeline Overturf for WRDE, Delmarva's own NBC station.